Welcome to the final SuperCat tutorial. Today, we will automate a complete data entry workflow using Datasets. First, prepare your data in the Dataset tab. You can simply load your list with 6 columns, from ID to salary. In the main action grid, we will create a sequence to handle each field. Depending on the application, you might use the Tab or Enter key to move between fields. However, in this tutorial, we will use precise mouse clicks to navigate. And here is a powerful shortcut to make this incredibly fast. Simply hover your mouse over the first input box, like the ID field, and press F8 twice. This instantly records 2 rows with the exact same X and Y coordinates. Set the first row's action to mouse left click and change the second row to a load text action. This guarantees the bot maintains perfect focus. Next, move your mouse over to the name field and press F8 twice again. Update the actions just like before. Repeat this quick process for every field on your form. Finally, after mapping the last column, add a final point over the application's Enter or Submit button to save the record. Now, press F6 to start. Watch as SuperCat intelligently clicks on each specific field, types the data, and clicks the Submit button once the record is complete. It will continue this cycle until every row in your dataset is processed. Powerful, precise, and completely automated. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your new workflow.